In this video, we will learn how to delete particular data from your entire data. Okay, let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Here I have some data, sales data. I want to delete the keyboard sales data. Okay, just copy the keyboard. Press the Control F, paste to find what, and click on the Find All. Okay, you can see here all keyboard data is show here. Just Control A. You can see here this control and just close this dialog box. Keyboard data is selected. Keyboard, keyboard. Now just press Control plus minus and select the entire row. Click OK. That's it. You can see here all keyboard sales data is deleted. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.